Our skin, a miracle of nature. Our skin is the most important protection against environmental influences. It consists of 3 layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Corneal cells develop continuously through several stages in the epidermis. They form the outer layer of the skin. Within 1 month, the epidermis is completely renewed through the constant movement of cells to the surface. Lipid substances surround the corneal cells, filling the interstitial spaces between the cells and ensuring a stable structure, which is one of the most important requirements for the protective functions of the skin. Over the corneal layer lies a thin protective film. It contains fat from the sebaceous glands and water and salts transported to the surface by the sweat glands. This protective film has a pH value of approximately 5.5, chemically semi-acid. This is why this hydrolipid film was called earlier the acid protective layer. It forms a further barrier to microorganisms and environmental influences. The skin reacts very sensitively to excessive moisture, water or aggressive cleaning substances. The hydrolipid film is destroyed. The corneal cells swell up and the lipids in the corneal layer are washed out. The skin becomes dry and lets foreign substances through. Our immune system reacts to these foreign substances with reddening and flaking of the skin or blisters on the skin. Eczema is the result if nothing is done. The skin will continue to inflame and even crack. The regular use of skin protection and skin care products supports the protective functions of the epidermis.
Psoriasis is a skin disease that causes thick, itchy patches of red skin with silvery scaling. The top 2 layers of your skin are called the epidermis and dermis. New cells at the bottom of the epidermis constantly move up and replace the older cells above them. Normally, it takes about a month for cells to make this journey. In psoriasis, cells reach the skin surface in only 6 to 8 days because of a problem with your immune system. Scientists think your immune system mistakes certain natural substances in your skin as foreign invaders. This causes your immune system to start a counterattack, called an inflammatory response. Inflammation is a series of changes that happen in your skin, including enlarged blood vessels, growth of more blood vessels, more immune cells in the area, forming groups, and faster creation of new skin cells. Over time, the process of inflammation becomes a cycle. Damaged skin cells signal more immune cells to come to the area. In turn, the immune cells cause your skin cells to multiply rapidly and your skin to get thicker. This results in raised, itchy, inflamed areas called plaques on your skin. Scientists think that psoriasis is passed down in families through parts of your DNA called genes. You can develop psoriasis if you have these genes, then experience certain triggers such as skin injuries, dry skin, infections, stress, smoking, and certain medications. If you have any questions about psoriasis, talk to your healthcare provider.